Today's Tuesday, and because it's Tuesday, we're gonna have tacos. Taco Tuesday. One thing that I realized, maybe I just didn't realize right now, but I didn't know about this. Tacos and tortillas are pretty much the same. But now one thing that I regret, because I have here hard shell tacos, I should have gotten corn tortillas. Like that, I could actually make them crunchy and hard. This is the first time I'm doing tacos, so, well, mistakes were made and it should be fine. I washed my hair today. This is day one. I like my hair so much more during day one hair. Every other day, disastrous. And now I finished my martini with vegan cream cheese. I use the New Roots cream cheese. It's vegan. You can use whatever cream cheese you want. I went to get some martini glasses, but I couldn't find it. So now I have two different meat options. So everybody does use ground beef for their tacos. So that's what I'm going to use. I have here vegan one. This is the cheapest one I found because I'm going to add a lot of extra flavoring. So I don't need any fancy vegan meat for that. If the meat was supposed to just go for like a simple recipe, I would have gotten maybe better quality. However, I'm gonna add tons of seasonings in here, so I don't need to do any extra things. I just need the texture of the ground beef. And the other protein is not really a protein, it's mushrooms. We have here chanterelle mushrooms. I'm not sure if you know this type of variety of mushrooms. They are delicious. We also have this one pickled. Let me show you. So a family friend of ours gave us this type of mushrooms that we have here frozen. We also have this version pickled or maybe conserved. That would be a better term. I guess pickled is also conserved, right? Whoever is actually knowledgeable about these things, let me know. So this is what they look like. This is delicious. So that's what I'm gonna do. The mushrooms, I'm gonna add liquid smoke salt, maybe a little bit of cumin, a little bit of paprika, and garlic powder of fresh garlic, because this mushrooms like fresh garlic. For the meat, the only thing that I'm gonna add differently is I will not add smoked paprika and liquid smoke, because he already has the smokiness of normal beef, and I'm gonna add a little bit of tomato concentrate in here. So let's get started. Oh, the veggies have already been cut. In some point I will mix them together, but for the moment we have lettuce, onions, jalapenos, cucumbers, tomatoes, and a lot of coriander. We love coriander in this house. And I did not make my salsa, but nobody has the time for that. So we just bought pre-made salsa already. Matt went to the cinema to watch a crazy movie, and he has not stopped texting me. My watch has been vibrating the whole time we have been filming and talking. This man. So I got the salsa, and once he gets here, we then can cut the avocados. I don't know if I will make guac or if I will slice the avocados, but I think I will slice the avocados because I'm not in the mood to make guac. Then we have, I know this is normally called for cheddar. I do not like cheddar, and vegan cheddar does not taste like much, so this is the best vegan cheese I know and I've tried. If you have other suggestions in terms of vegan cheeses for tacos or for other usages, let me know. But this is my favorite vegan cheese. It's so good. It melts beautifully. It doesn't stick to the sky of your mouth. It's just delicious. And then, of course, for math, I got Tex-Mex because he eats normal cheese. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. Ba-da-da-boom-boom. You know what is actually great? One of the best things about being vegan is that I don't need to participate on the useless conversation about washing the meat and who washes what and what, salmonella and all the other shenanigans. You don't need to worry about that. There's nothing like that. Everything you touch, veggies. I guess you do have other problems, but well, I'm here for a good time, not a long time. Like any other vegan, I implore, I ask with the deepest, sincerest request to all the brands that make vegan food. We do not want the resemblance of blood in the meat. Look at this. Let me make myself clear. You see you cannot tell me that's where the flavor is. Which flavor? That just disgusts me. I do not like this. Oh my god. That's my only turn off on vegan products. Why do we need to have the whole gory, bloody situation going on? That's vegan meat for you. This is all the decisions and all the consequences of my actions. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now I'm a bit sad because we don't have excellent dipping sauce, but I am lazy. I don't wanna make any. And now here are the mushrooms. I didn't add anything here yet. This is just the mushrooms in the water. They are defrosting. So now I'm just gonna make sure that we strain the excess water. Make sure that then I can start adding the flavor. Buying frozen mushrooms, I guess one might say, is cheating, but well, this all has to be is a bit of a cheating situation, so well, what can we do? I just know the mushroom's gonna be delicious. You can count on that. Smoked paprika. Oh, garlic powder here. I wanted to put fresh garlic there, but well. And now I'm gonna get the concentrate of spices. We got this in Las Palmas, and it's just the most delicious concentrated of different herbs, and it just makes the food delicious. I need to add olive oil here. Perfect. And here I'm trying to make the sizes a bit smaller of the mincemeat. Everything tastes quite nice, so we have that. I would like to tell you that you don't need this, you don't need that, but in terms of Mexican food, it's always tricky because the real deal tastes so good. The only time I really enjoyed the vegan version of Mexican food is when they did, it's equivalent of carne asada, but they used cactus leaf. I don't know if we have any Mexicans in our community here, but they might be able to actually explain what I mean better. But it's like cactus and you can eat it. Oh, that is the yummiest thing I've ever had. The thing is, it just doesn't have much protein, so that's the only unfortunate part about it. But well, I guess you can just have protein in other meals and then try having just delicious tacos without worrying about the protein intake. I also have tortilla bits. I would like not to destroy this. Sauce came with a vengeance. It better be good. I hope. Well, I guess this was not as dirty as I thought it would be. It would be nice to dip the tacos in this style. I think it will. I swear this is not rage bait. It's our first time making tacos at home, so the mushrooms are super yummy. The mushrooms are yummy. Let me just add liquid smoke. It needs more salt. Let me try the meat. Yum yum yum. You're gonna trouble. We don't know if the avocado will be good or not, so whatever. It was not whatever, it was a good avocado. I am having an excellent day. Because when your avocado is good, you just thank the Lord and keep pushing. I'm not a picky woman, but let me tell you something. A terrible avocado will ruin my day. I guess it will ruin everybody's day because you just have so many expectations for avocado and then, mama, it's not good. Perfect. I have my avocado chopped. Each person gets as many avocados they want. I'm gonna assemble my tacos. However, I feel like I should put one in the oven with cheese. Well, let's see. So much noise. I have my plate. I have my hard shell tacos, and I'm gonna assemble my tacos because, well, because I deserve it, right? Yes. So, here we go. One of my tacos just went flying by. Jesus, cheers, mother. Let's try first the mushroom one. Oh, maybe I need to take pictures actually. Caralho! Everything is falling apart. Now I understand why all of you have fancy plates to serve the tacos. Let me get my parsley, my coriander, because I forgot to put the coriander. I love coriander. Okay. Okay. Come and see. This is what we're making today. I suppose tacos are a cheat meal. It's okay. Let's eat it up. Mushrooms. Bon appetit to you, to me. I like it, Picasso. I know people like the hard shell tacos more, but I prefer the soft shells, especially when they are drenched with sauce, which is not the case at the moment because I was lazy. Oh well. Thank you for watching.